Hi everybody, this is Stephanie with SDC Wreaths for You, and I'm sharing a couple of ZGallerie dupes that I did. So I love this black and gold look. This first one is Illusions 2, and I just knew that I could do this on my own. So I did. I duped it in silver and white. I love it. I needed silver and white versus the black and gold. So I created all three of the looks that I'm going to show you today using canvas and hot glue, metallic spray paint in silver, and then white acrylic paint. And each of these looks was created for $15 or less. So, loving the illusions. Here is the next look coming up. This one is called Perceptions 2. Uh, I also did this one in silver and white. Again, $15 or less. Loving this one. So, a lot of fun, easy to create, but I love the look. These are going to actually go on to white walls once I'm finished with another project. Here is the final one that I did. This is Perception 1. Dupe this one, again, silver and white. Let me know what you guys think. If you have not liked or subscribed to my channel, please do so you can see future projects that I do, both dupes and for SDC Wreaths.